Hi guys, this is Phil Calvert, and I just wanted to show you a quick video, something that's really exciting me on LinkedIn, and it's brand new. It's being rolled out, and it is saving me a huge amount of time, and it is making my experience of the LinkedIn homepage a lot more valuable. So here we are on my home newsfeed, and if your newsfeed is anything like mine, regardless of how good LinkedIn say the algorithm is, it is a right old mishmash of all sorts of content, some of which is relevant to me, most of which isn't relevant at all. And that wastes time, and it makes my experience of LinkedIn not as good as it could be. One of the other problems that LinkedIn is facing at the moment is that people are using it basically as a promotional tool. So lots of people use it for self-promotions, which is okay in the great scheme of things. But let's look at this, for example. Right in the middle of my home news screen essentially is an advert. Now, if I am looking for a job as a training and competency advisor, a supervisor in Glasgow or Edinburgh, well, this is right up my street. But the fact is, it is encouraging me to leave LinkedIn and go to another website. And LinkedIn, frankly, doesn't want you to do that. LinkedIn wants you to stay on the site and to consume content where it is. So one of the things that they've introduced is over here on the left-hand side. It's called Your Communities. Now, essentially what that is a list of hashtags that you can now follow. Here's my full list. Seminar, hashtag presentation skills. These are all hashtags that I have chosen and which I can pin to the left bar over here on the homepage. Now, what this essentially means is that at any moment in time, I can click on one of these hashtags. Let's pick on hashtag marketing, and LinkedIn will now search the whole site, and it will only now show me content that's got hashtag marketing within the post. So this means that I can finally tame my homepage, and I can make the news feed totally relevant to what I want to see, or at least a lot more relevant to me than it was before just using the normal LinkedIn algorithm. Now, two things come out of this. Firstly, I can now see what I want to see on the LinkedIn homepage. And secondly, it means that when you post something on LinkedIn as a status update or as a company update or as an article, you really should include a relevant hashtag within there. In this case, someone has included hashtag marketing here, hashtag social media. And when you add a hashtag like this, it appears immediately in the feeds of people who have saved that particular hashtag over here. So from now on, make sure that you include hashtags within your posts and status updates, and you'll find that your experience of LinkedIn is improved incredibly. And of course, if you're an expert on, say, marketing, it means you've got instant content that you can add your own thoughts and opinions to. So a fantastic new tool. And if you go over here, it says Discover More, and it brings up a huge list of ready-made hashtags that you want to follow. So if complexity is your thing, you can just follow that hashtag. If transportation is your thing, just follow that hashtag. If telemarketing is your thing, just follow that hashtag. So a really useful new tool. I hope you'll find it of value. I'm already finding it absolutely amazing, and hope you found that a useful tip. See you on the next video.